exciting new hardware update to the CellCom platform. The CellCom Fire will now have 2 tip and ring terminals on that board. You've been used to the dual tip and ring on the Dualcomm hardware platform, and now we're bringing that over to the CellCom hardware platform. This is a huge advantage because as you're installing this on those Fire systems, you'll notice that most of those have 2 phone lines. We don't want you to have to parallel those phone lines down. We want to make sure that you have 2 tip and ring terminals to apply those phone lines on their own terminals. This is going to make it very clean on your install, and that second phone line terminal will also drop voltage anytime that there's a communication trouble. This is going to enunciate at the host panel, allowing you to pass those Fire inspections. So having that dual tip and ring is going to provide you an advantage over competitor products, as they only offer 1 tip and ring terminal. Contact your DDM today for more information, and thanks for watching.